Good afternoon, sir. Here is the lesson that I will teach to the student for next week. It is about make Carol and Venn diagrams. Okay, for the sun setting, I will use the look back here. Okay, students, there are some clothes here. There are skirts, there are pants, and there are shirts. Okay, how many items of clothing are not tops? As we can see here that shirts are tops, so the rest clothes are not tops. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are seven items of clothing are not tops. And then let's continue to the thinking cap. How can you sort all the clothes using the diagram on the right? Okay, this is the diagram because the shape of the diagram is circle, so it means this is a Venn diagram. Let's use this Venn diagram to sort types of the clothes. I would like to sort types of the clothes by their types. Like example, clothes are not tops. As we had seen before, that clothes are not tops, they are shirts and skirts. Skirts and pants. Okay. Now we continue. We go to the first one. It is Carol diagram. What is Carol diagram? Carol diagram is a table that we use to sort objects into two groups. Carol diagram has two columns like this. As you can see here, like this, 1 and 2. Okay, students, here are some shapes with different colors and different sizes. Okay, we can group them by using example. I would like from this book. We need to group them by their size. We can group them by the small shapes and not small shapes. Okay, let's group them one by one. Let's see the small shapes. There is one rectangle. This one circle one here, and then put the small yellow square here, and then small yellow rectangle, and then small blue triangle. And then for the not small shapes, we can put this one big yellow circle here, and then big orange triangle here, big blue rectangle here, and big orange square here. Okay, next. From this question, are there the same number of small shapes and shapes that are not small? Yes. There are the same number of small shapes and shapes that are not small. The number of the small shapes are 4, and the number of shapes that are not small is also 4. So they have the same number. Next. Okay, we go to the second diagram. It is a Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a circle that we use to sort objects or to sort information like this, as we can see here. Okay, these shapes are sorted by color. In this Venn diagram, they sort the shapes by their color. They sort it with green color. So these shapes inside the circle have green color. Okay. Now we answer this one. What is the same and what is different between a Carol and Venn diagram? The same of Carol and Venn diagram is we use them to sort informations or objects, while the difference is Carol diagram is a table. The shape of the Carol diagram is a table, while the Venn diagram we use circle. Okay, we go to the next page. Oh, this one is the exercise. I will give you some example. Okay, I have some props here. I have one drink bottle, and then one ball, one card, and one coin. We can sort these objects by their shape and by their color. Okay, please remember this bottle, the color of this bottle is red, the color of this card is red, the color of this coin is silver, and the color of this ball is yellow. Okay, let's sort the objects by using Carroll diagram first. Carroll diagram. We make the table first, like this, and then divide it into two parts. Okay.
So, what about the difficult words in this part?
Oh,
What do
yes.
you think? What is difficult words there? Because they are still primary one. You go to the books. What words that you think that should be translated into bahasa?
I think only these words are short.
Shapes. You know,
Shapes
shape.
already know, sir, because
They know
we had
that.
learned about types of shapes before.
Okay.
And then short, the meaning is
I know
menyortir,
that,
yeah,
of course.
yeah.
I mean, what else?
I think only that, sir. Venn diagram, I have told the meaning. Carroll diagram, yeah,
Yellow pen.
yeah. And then Carroll diagram also already.
Okay, the basic point of this one is we only want to learn about Carroll diagram and pen diagram.
Yes, sir.
That's right. And what exercise will you give to the students? The exercise is only given from the textbook, activity book, or you have your own additional worksheet or something like that.
First, I will ask the student to do exercise from the textbook first, to make sure they understand the basic first, and then if we have enough time, I will continue give the student the exercise from the activity book.
My question is,
Yes, sir.
kind of a question like this, like diagram or something like that, do you think it will be efficient if we use the exercise book or the worksheet in activity book or in the textbook?
Which one is the efficient one, sir?
Yes.
I think the efficient one is from here, sir.
Yeah, because it doesn't take a lot of time.
Yeah, a lot of time.
Because we don't want to make the picture of circle,
Yeah,
picture
sir.
of table or something like that.
Yes, sir.
What about their notebook for this part? What will we do over there to not taking too long time?
At first, sure, for in their notebook,
Will you ask them to draw?
I think that they must draw the tables, because Carol is about table, right, sir? They must also draw the circle. But I think that I will not ask them to draw the rectangle, triangle. I will just
The
make,
object.
yeah, the name of the object, like that, sir. Wait. Can Bro, nothing here, sir.